Today we'll be assembling the 2-in-1 twist trike. Align the features on the back of the wheel covers with the 3 pockets in the rear wheels. Insert the wheel covers into the wheels. Slide the rear axle through one of the wheels. Then, slide the axle through the body of the trike. Slide the other rear wheel over the opposite end of the axle. Set a hubcap over the exposed end of the axle and hammer into place. Loosen the clamp and rotate the head tube. Ensure the "This Side Down" sticker is facing down. Install the handlebar assembly over the head tube. Slide an M10 washer over the M10 by 138 bolt. Insert the bolt through the bottom of the handlebar assembly. Hammer the bolt until it comes through the other side of the head tube. Capture the bolt at the top of the handlebar assembly with an M10 washer and lock nut. Tighten the bolt with a screwdriver while using a wrench to hold the nut in place. Set the trike upright. Align the 2 snaps on the handlebar cover with the 2 pockets on the handlebar. Firmly press the cover into place. Install the front wheel by fitting the axle into the fork dropouts. Make sure the tread is pointed forwards. Identify the left and right fork covers. Assemble the covers to their respective sides with 2 screws. To switch from tricycle to chopper, undo the clamp at the head tube. Then, push the red button under the clamp while rotating the front half of the trike 180 degrees. Flip the converted trike upright and close the clamp. Align the seat back with one of the 3 sets of holes depending on the rider's height. Firmly press the seat back into place. Now you're ready to roll.